Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a doc file on your monday.com website. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, as you can see, you will be able to see the pillars icon here. So we have to click on the pillars, and after clicking on the pillars, as you can see, you will be able to see the doc option here. So we have to click on the doc, and after clicking on the doc, as you can see, now we need to provide the name. For example, I'm going to write the important here. So let's write the important doc. And after that, as you can see, now you need to choose the privacy type, the private or the shareable or the main. For example, I'm going to choose the main here. So let's click on the create doc. And after clicking on the create doc, our doc file will be created. So now we have to wait for a few seconds. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So as you can see, now our doc file is created. Now you can write, you can control whatever you want. As you can see, now the options are also provided here related to the doc. You can edit this, you can customize this, you can write whatever you want, and after that you will be able to share this as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a doc file on your monday.com website. So see you guys in the next video.